Are you using AI to produce or refine your business documents? If you do, that is good because it helps to speed up your writing process. While it helps to speed up your writing process, you must not rush into using the first or the second draft of the document as your final document. Why do I say so? This is because AI produces very generic sounding documents that may not cater to the needs of your targeted readers. AI does not know who are your readers, but you know your readers. Therefore, it is very important for you to re-prompt AI so that the final document that you produce also caters to the needs of your targeted readers. Whether you are writing reports, proposals, or even emails. The second thing that you need to know over here is the language that AI uses. AI produces business documents with complex sentences. When I say complex, it means that the sentences can be very long, with unfamiliar vocabulary, and also paragraphs that are very long as well. So it is also very important for you to have the right skills to re-prompt AI so that the language that is being used in the document caters to the understanding of your readers who are locals, non-native speakers. So all in all, in this program, you will be learning how you can personalize your business documents and humanize it so that it sounds like a real human producing the document, not AI-generated documents. And this program is suitable for those of you who already have skills in using AI and also for those of you who are going to use AI for the first time to produce business documents. I hope to see you in my program one day.